Welcome to 990 and a half Upham Street in Lakewood, Colorado. Comfort meets elegance in this hidden gem in the heart of the city. Let's take a tour. The heart of the home is the kitchen. This culinary space boasts an expansive layout complete with plentiful cabinetry and countertop space, all illuminated by natural light streaming through the window. There's ample room for a kitchen table to host intimate dinners or morning coffees in a luminous setting. A spacious living room is adorned with new flooring, setting the stage for the rest of this beautiful unit. The tour's pinnacle is the primary bedroom, a spacious haven where natural light floods through the large window. This room's crowning feature is the walk-in closet, offering an organized and vast area for belongings. Journeying further into the unit is the full-sized bathroom, complete with a large tub with a seat, a newer toilet, newer fixtures, and a good-sized vanity. Towards the front of the home we find the cozy second bedroom, a serene retreat bathed in natural light from the large egress window. This room offers a generous reach-in closet with ample storage. A laundry space equipped with hookups for both a washer and dryer simplify daily chores and promote an easy lifestyle. As we conclude our tour of 990 and a half Upham Street, it's clear every aspect of this home is designed to enhance your living experience. Contact us today to schedule a tour of this lovely unit.